Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Nearshore, Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. And today I'm going to do a review over the OBD2 scanner with oil reset maintenance interval. So this is for your OBD2 port on your vehicle to scan your vehicle, basically your vehicle's computer, this diagnostic tool to see if anything's wrong with it or if it's throwing any codes or anything. I don't know about you, but I've never owned one of these until recently, until I got this one sent to me to do a review on. And I've got a fairly newer vehicle, so I did plug it in. There were no codes or anything, but you could reset the oil, like when you change the oil and all that. So it'll tell your, let's say you change your oil today, and it keeps showing on there that you got to change your oil. You can go in there and reset that on your vehicle, or if it throws a code. My other truck that I had, it was throwing codes for a while. And of course I had to go into the automotive stores, go in there and borrow their scanner. I was like, man, it'd be nice to have one of these. So this is a pretty cool thing to have. I think it's designed for like 96 and newer vehicles. Obviously it's not going to work on a 1954 Thunderbird because it didn't have a computer in the vehicle back then. But you can always tell a product right off the bat on how it's packed. And I'll tell you what, it comes in a nice case and it's pretty easy to use. The OBD2 port is just basically if you're sitting at your steering wheel, you'll look down and you always see this plug thing that looks kind of funky. And a lot of people probably wonder what that's for. Well, that's your port right there. So it comes with a user manual. And imagine in the user manual, it's going to have like library codes and all that. It's going to have directions and all that kind of stuff, which that's pretty nice to use. This thing's pretty user friendly. So if you're not familiar with it, like I'm not an automotive expert, it's pretty basic. I've used them before and just follow the instructions on the screen. It's pretty easy. It's light, it's packed well, it comes in a nice case. The cord seems to be a fairly okay length of cord, so if you're plugging it in, you got enough to sit there and look at the codes and all that. But as far as I can tell, it's a great little product. I think you'll probably like it. I did not find out. I tried to find out if it would work on my boat. Like I have a Yamaha outboard, and it probably doesn't fit because I don't know. It might. I don't know. I've never really checked Yamahas to see if it's the same port or all that. But again, it's the Panlong from Panlong, the OBD2 scanner with oil reset. Get you one of these if you want to check up on your car's health and monitor your computer and reset codes. You'll like it just as much as I do. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you.